Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I finally got those braids out of my hair, but let me tell y'all, it felt so good, and I mean so good, to not have to do my hair. Like, it felt good. And I was just in straight lazy mode, like straight lazy mode. I didn't want to go do anything. I didn't want to do my hair. I didn't want to shave my legs, and I did not want to go to the grocery store. So I decided to partner up with HelloFresh. You guys, if you guys have not heard about HelloFresh, pause, okay? Get into it right now, because you are like me. Your girl really do not like to go to the grocery store. I don't like to do nothing. I don't like to look at all these different ingredients. And the good thing about HelloFresh is that they send you all the ingredients to your front door to prepare yourself, to cook for yourself. So I really like that. And y'all, before you go skipping this video, them tacos was bussin'. I mean, like, you invited to the cookout bussin'. I kid y'all not. I'm not even like big on tacos, but them tacos was so good. And I'm gonna let you guys see the preparation on the screen right now. But you guys have not heard about HelloFresh. They make cooking at home a breeze. They have the step-by-step instructions, and they have meals for everyone. So if you are a vegetarian, if you are calorie sensitive, they have it all for you guys. And I absolutely love that they have different varieties. Honey, they got tacos, they got hamburgers, they got all kinds of stuff. And I love it. They sent me 3 meals, and I loved every last one of them. But my favorite had to be them tacos. They were just so good. So right now, HelloFresh is now from $6.99 per serving, which is a freaking deal. And I love how they come in the right packages. And you can even add extra meals to your weekly orders, like sides or desserts. So if what you hear sounds good to you so far, get started with 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter code XOKimberly80. Let's get into this hair, you guys. And thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring this video. So my hair is good right now. I have already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and added my leave-in in the shower. So we are good for another killer combo. I'm putting my juices to flow. Main choice, Tropical Moringa, but I also grabbed the Style Factor. I don't know if I put these two together yet. I can't remember. I can't remember. I think I'm just gonna test out this combo, honestly. I already got my moisture in my hair, so all I'm gonna be doing right now is styling. So we're gonna be putting the Style Factor in this Tropical Moringa to the test. Let's get started. I am ready to go ahead and do my hair, because I actually got a lot of stuff to do today. All right, like I said, conditioner has been added. This is my hair. Free the hair, you guys. Gotta subsection this bad boy out. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tropical Moringa. The beautiful smell of Tropical Moringa. All right, go ahead and take this. I'm just gonna rub it up in my hand a little bit. Go ahead and apply that. I feel so rusty. I've had braids for the last month. I don't forgot how to do my hair, y'all. I forgot. And I'm just gonna take my dimming brush just to get those ends. Y'all, I need water. What am I doing with my life? I got some water right here though. It's not hot though. You all know I normally do the hot water in the bottle. I need to get some fresh water that's been sitting there. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth this through my hair, making sure I take some more at the roots, because you know we gotta get them roots. All right, y'all, I had to get off the camera because I was like, listen, I done lost my mojo. But I finally got it back, child. I was like, what am I doing? I had to go get some hot water. This is hot water, warm water in here now. I couldn't open my Style Factor, so I went ahead and got that, and I went ahead and put that on. Made sure my combs and my brush was here. I needed something to detangle, so I got my Felicia Leatherwood, and I got my dimming for my ends to make them curly. So now we good. Now we good. Let me do the next section, show you guys what I'm doing, because the Tropical Moringa really wasn't getting my roots, but then I put that Style Factor on that root, girl. That root said, I behave. This is the next section. Make sure you spray that bad boy down, because clearly I done did too much around the house and my hair done dried out. But I did try not to use a lot of leave-in conditioner this time, just to see. I'm just experimenting with my own hair, you know. So go ahead and detangle after you add your water, because you still got leave-in conditioner on there, so it should be good to go. You want your hair to be completely detangled. Make sure you really detangle this hair. Get me some of this tropical moringa. Add that thing to the roots, girl. Because you want the most product to be at the roots. You know how when you doing makeup and you trying to blend out some eyeshadow, you put, where you put that brush at? Where you want the most concentrated pigments. So that's exactly what you're doing in your hair. You know your roots act a mess. Go on, put that product on them roots first. Then I'm going to go in with the Style Factor. This is the pineapple scent. Right at them roots first. You see that? Have to. Now, if I'm in the shower, I might do things a lot different, but I'm outside the shower like I always am when I'm doing my killer combos. I'm showing you guys exactly how you get that good smooth. You see that? My roots weren't messing with it at first, but look at that now. Y'all see that? Y'all know I like to smooth mine out till it's nice and smooth. And let it just curve right on up by itself. I do want to go ahead and shingle it a little bit just because I don't want my curls to be too clumped. But like I said, that tropical moringa give you some clump, girl. I'm going to go ahead and finish up basically the rest of my hair. And we'll see how it looks at the end. How I behave. For yourself, you want me to know you're doing well. Sending this shit to me all the time. Just telling you that I never lie. Doing things for me like you want me back. Hey, I'm sorry, I don't feel the same way back. Alright, you guys, so I have completely applied all of those products to my hair. I've actually applied the tropical moringa and the Style Factor, and I was generous with both products, but my hair looks really good. So I am gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer, and when I am completely dry and stretched and all that, I will come back so you guys can see the final results. You guys, I'm just like looking at my hair like, oh, I miss you. I miss you so much. So I hope it turns out right. Do you guys think it's gonna turn out right? I think it's gonna turn out right too. All right, give me a sec. Okay, you guys, I am back, and this is what the wash and go is looking like. You guys see it? This is what the wash and go is looking like, and I absolutely love it. I am on day 3 right now, and I think it looks good. I did have some clips in here so you guys can see day 1 and day 2. How I behave, how I behave, how I behave. But I was not able to just like sit down right here and film. But I did want to show you guys, I have a little bit of flaking, which I went pretty heavy right here with the gels. I like added some extra gel or whatever, don't judge me. But for the most part, I would not say this is like a very bad combo. Like, I really like this combo. I love how my hair looks. It looks really nice, and I just love how fluffy and full it still is, and the definition is great. Now, let me get like super close. Yeah, if you get really close, you can see like where I put too much gel right here. But as far as the hair, there's nothing, like no flakes or anything just hanging out on the actual hair strand. So that's not too shabby, but it is some flaking. But overall, I really do like my hair. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.